Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a reverse right in a triangle pattern, and in this pattern row and column wise 1 and 0 numbers are repeated in an alternative way. So we used to understand this pattern with the help of nested for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit, and -1 as the step value. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we takes 0 as lower limit and I as upper limit, and inside this inner for loop we print I plus j mod 2, and this modulo operator always return reminder because modulo operator always gives reminder, and I plus j variable is a variable of outer and inner for loop, and outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line or switch to the next line. So when you execute this program, the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create the or build the code with the help of nested for loop and understand this code, because this is an efficient and simplest way to understand or learn this code. And this pattern series is totally for beginners who wants to learn pattern programs from scratch, for campus placements, for off campus and on campus interview preparation. So if you have any concern regarding this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and you can watch the Django playlist from scratch that is totally for beginners. Also, if you want to learn Django framework of Python to build web applications, you can watch the Django playlist from scratch. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thank you for watching. Have a great day, move ahead and more shining day by day. Thank you.